Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in module 1 of the lesson Our Body. In this module we will learn about organs and various body organ systems. The human body has many organs. An organ is a body part which does a specific function. Various organs of a body make an organ system that performs one specific function of the body. For example, nose, windpipe and lungs make the respiratory system. We have many organ systems inside our body. Skeletal system. Our skeletal system is made up of bones. The bones in our body are of different shapes and sizes. Some are long, some are short, some are curved, and some are straight. All the bones in our body form the skeleton. How does the skeleton help us? The skeleton supports our body, gives our body its shape, protects the soft, delicate organs inside our body, includes the skull that protects the delicate brain. It consists of the rib cage, the bones of which are curved. They protect the lungs and heart. Joints. A place where two bones meet is called a joint. Joint help us to bend. Different joints allow different types of movements. Muscular system. Bones in our body cannot move on their own. Muscles help bones to move. Together, bones and muscles allow us to walk, run, and jump. All the muscles in our body form the muscular system. Muscles are fleshy, stretchy bands that cover the skeleton. They are attached to the bones. Muscles pull the bones and make them move. Some muscles work on their own. For example, the muscles of the heart in our lungs work all the time, even when we are asleep. Digestive system. The food we eat cannot be used directly by our body. The food needs to be broken into simple substances. Our body breaks down the food into simple substances by a process called digestion. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus are the main organs of the digestive system. In the mouth, the teeth chew and grind the food into simpler pieces. The saliva mixes with the food to form small soft balls. The food is swallowed and passed down through food pipe into the stomach. Inside the stomach, the food is crushed further and mixed with the digestive juices thoroughly. After 2 to 4 hours, it looks like a thick soup. The thick soup goes to the small intestine. More digestive juices are added to the food and digestion is completed. The digested food is absorbed by the blood. Blood carries the digested food to different parts of the body. The unwanted bits of food move to the large intestine. From here, it is passed out of the body through anus. Your stomach is like a blending machine. It mixes the food until it becomes like pulp. If you chew your food well, your stomach will not have to work so hard. So thank you my dear students. In module 2 we will learn about respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system and excretory system.